To enable Google Assistant in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the apps section first. So look for the apps somewhere around here. Then when you enter apps, go to default apps and select the digital assistant app, and then change it to Google. Make sure that Google is selected, otherwise it won't work. When you have that done, then go back to the main settings page, select the first option on the top, which should have your Google name, and go to all services, where we can find search assistant and voice. When you enter that options, we can go to the Google Assistant and then scroll down until we find digital assistants from Google and select Google Assistant and confirm the switch. That way you will change to Google Assistant and enable it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.